2018 Godfrey AquaPario 23-foot tritoon. Pop-up cleats, ski tow bar, has a 200 horse Evinrude E-Tech on it. Skag's in good condition, stainless prop, looks nice. This ladder is really cool. We'll go up inside here. Seaweed flooring. This cushion here actually lifts up and opens up to get in the boat. Table. There's 3 movable cup holders back here. Raised helm so you can see over the people in front of you if you're driving. Tilt steering. Bluetooth stereo, SIM-rad, rated for 13 passengers. Has lighted cup holders in the helm, place to charge your cell phone. In-floor storage, changing room, 2 benches up front, comes with a full cover, electric bimini top. Great combination, the 200 horse is a great motor. Tube ski. If you get caught in the rain, it won't take you forever to get back. We do offer financing here at SkipperBud's. Come and check this one out.